Okay, let's take GB063, which is a Land Rover Defender 90 50th anniversary limited edition, as always with the 4-litre V8 automatic for a spin. All the lights come up properly, or all light ignition light do. And usually on this one, the odometer doesn't fade out the way a lot of these do. The previous owner said he's had it sorted, so it doesn't do that anymore. But which is nice to know. And so the last owner drove it down to us 400 miles. It performed absolutely superbly. I've just done a few miles in it, and it's performing just as superbly now. Basically, out of the box. Lovely in every respect. No nasty graunches, rattles or anything over these bumpy roads. Showing 89,800 miles, which we think is correct given the history we've got with it. Looks like it's going to rain, which should be annoying, so I'm going to get this back before it does. Let's see what we can do. I think this one's been chipped. I think according to the history, I haven't been through the history completely yet, but I think the last owner told me it had been chipped. It certainly feels a bit more lively than the standard 50th. But beautifully refined V8 on it. Gearbox changes gear nicely, no sort of clunking or selection problems on the auto box. It steers properly, it's going exactly where it's placed. The steering feels nicely weighted. All the instruments are working as they should. The fuel gauge flickers around, but that's a normal 50th trait, I'm afraid. I've had getting on for 20 of these over the years through my hands, and every single one has done it. It's just par for the course for the 50th. Something to do with the baffles in the tank. It performs exactly as you'd expect. Thunders along. So it's got cold and working aircon as well. Yep, it's nice and cold. The only criticism I can make of it, and I've seen this on a couple of them, modern stereo is always a bit deeper than the original one, so the stereo does stick out very slightly, but that is absolutely nitpicking, and that's all I can really criticise. No, obviously no signs of overheating, misfiring, hesitancy, anything like that. Just perfect in every way. As I say, it's probably the the nicest 50th that's on the market at the moment. Not that many of them come up for sale. Price is going to reflect that, but you are getting yourself probably the best car around at the moment. And obviously not one that's been overly modified the way that some are. So I think that's probably it really. There's not much more I can say about it apart from just reiterate just how good it really is. My name is Simon. You can reach me in the office on 0118 907 1495. Or you can go to our website, which is www.motodrome.co.uk for any further information. End.